Hi everyone. So we are discussing everything about pronoun and this is our part 4. In this video, we will discuss about possessive pronoun. Now, before we start discussing about this possessive pronoun, let's first understand what do we mean by this word possessive. See, possessive means to belong something. Possessive means to belong something or simply say to have it. Okay? So, what is possessive pronoun? Pronouns that show possession, they are called possessive pronoun. Now look at this chart. All these are possessive pronoun. These are pronoun and these are their possessive form. When I say I, it becomes mine when we talk about possession of I. When something is possessed by you, then we say yours. When something is possessed by him, means he is the person who is possessing it, then we say his. Similarly, she becomes hers, we become ours, you become yours, and they become theirs. So all these are pronoun, and when something is possessed by these pronoun, they change their form into possessive form like this. Let's look at some sentences so that you get better idea about it. Look at the first sentence. These shoes are mine. So, these shoes are mine means I belong these shoes, or these are my shoes, or I can say I belong these shoes. That bag is yours means you belong that bag, or the possession of that bag is yours. So that bag is yours means you belong that bag. This cat is his means he belongs this cat. Alright? Similarly, your phone is different than hers. Your phone is different than hers. Hers means her phone. Instead of using this whole world, her phone, we are just using hers. We are not using this whole phrase, her phone. Right? So, here we say your phone is different than hers. Means her phone. Again, we are talking about who is belonging the phone. If this bag belongs to us, if this bag belongs to us, means it is ours. Right? Because this bag belongs to us. Right? Okay. You can take my pen if yours is not working. Yours means your pen. Okay? So, you can take my pen if yours is not working. Here, yours means actually we are talking about the pen, okay, which belongs to you. This house is theirs. Means they belong this house. So, all these words, mine, yours, his, hers, ours, yours, and theirs. All these words, they show something about possession. They tell you about what is being possessed by whom, and that is why these are possessive pronoun. So, what we have discussed, हम बात कर रहे हैं पजेसिव प्रोनाउन की। पजेसिव प्रोनाउन का मतलब क्या होता है? पजेसिव मीन्स टू हैव समथिंग और टू बिलोंग समथिंग। पजेसिव में डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ प्रोनाउन को चेंज किया जाता है उसके पजेसिव फॉर्म में। I becomes mine, you become yours, he become his, she becomes hers, we ours, you yours, and they theirs. Now, one thing, remember here that you don't put apostrophe sign here. Okay? You do not write this like this. This is wrong. So, when you show possession, you do not write apostrophe sign. This is not correct. So, here also, we do not write hers because this is also wrong and this is correct, and here also this is correct form of possessive pronoun. Similarly for ours, yours, and theirs also, we never use apostrophe sign. So our, this and this, they all are wrong. If we write something like this in possessive, it's not correct. All right, these forms are correct. फिर हमने बात की कुछ सेंटेंसेस की। इसमें हम कौन सी चीज कौन बिलोंग कर रहा है उसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं। मतलब कौन सी चीज किसकी है। जैसे यहाँ पे दिस शूज आर माइन, तो ये शूज किसके हैं? मेरे हैं, इसलिए मैं माइन बोलूंगी। दैट बैग इज योर्स, बैग किसकी है? तुम्हारी है या आपकी है, सो हम उसको योर्स बोलेंगे। दिस कैट इज हिज, कैट किसकी है? उस लड़के की है, तो इसलिए हम हिज बोलेंगे। तो इस तरह से कौन सी चीज किसकी है या कौन किस चीज को बिलोंग करता है वो बताने के लिए हम पजेसिव प्रोनाउन यूज करते हैं। राइट नाउ इन आवर नेक्स्ट सेशन we will talk about difference between possessive pronoun and possessive adjective. Till then, goodbye.